Hello, dear students. Today we are going to start Rain on the Roof. As we all know, this week we are enjoying rain, pre monsoon rain. So, this poem is also about rain. When the sky is covered with dark clouds, you have seen these days sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining. You have ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof. Patter means the sound of tip tip. Have you ever listened the sound of tip tip? What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? What kind of thoughts comes in your mind when you are listening the sound of rain? Read the poem and find out what the poet dreamed of while listening to the rain. Poet is Kurt Skinny. So, what Kurt Skinny dreamed of when he was listening rain? When the humid shadows hover. When the humid shadows hover. Hover means cloud. When the humid shadows hover. Shadows like big clouds comes into the sky. They are looking like shadows. When the humid means full of water. When water clouds full of water comes to the sky over all the starry spheres. Starry sphere means sky full of stars. It means it is the time of night when the sky full of stars covered by clouds. The clouds are full of water. And the melancholy darkness. Melancholy means sad. Sad means there is no joy. Darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. Sadness starts weeping. Here, personification is used as melancholy weeps. Melancholy is not a human being. Melancholy is feeling. But melancholy weeps like melancholy is doing a human action. Clear? So, here personification is used. Personification. Personification means when a non-human thing is applied a human action, human behavior. So, melancholy in darkness starts weeping slowly. What a bliss to press the pillow on a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. It means what a bliss, what a good thing. To press the pillow means the poet lay down in her cottage chamber on the bed, and by laying down he starts listening the patter of rain, patter of soft rain. Soft means the rain is moving continuously in slow motion. Clear? Of the soft rain overhead, every tinkle on the shingles. Shingles are the wooden tiles of floor or roof. When the tinkle means the sound of drops of rain. When the drops are coming on the roof, it creates a sound. So the every tinkle, every sound on the roof tiles has an echo in the heart. It means it creates a sound in the heart. And 1,000 dreamy fancies. Fancies means thoughts. Into busy being start. Into busy means our mind keeps busy always, and thousands of dreamy thoughts started into the mind. And 1,000 recollections. Recollections means memories. Recollections. Collections means thought come again about a previous thing. Recollections, यादें कह सकते हैं. And 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof. Woof means air threads. Air threads. Threads into air. It means thoughts. Woof. Woof means like जैसे हथकरघा होता है उसमें हम धागे उसमें बुने होते हैं, जैसे दरी बनाते हैं, कपड़ा बुनते हैं, तो इन सब के लिए हम लूम का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड थ्रेड्स जब उसमें वोवन कर दिए जाते हैं तो उसे वूफ कहा जाता है. जिस तरह से ताना बाना बुना होता है, एक हथकरघे में धागे बुने होते हैं, उसी तरह से हमारी मेमोरीज़, हमारे थॉट्स हमारे माइंड में बुनना शुरू हो जाते हैं. एज आई लिसन टू द पैटर, एज आई लिसन द साउंड ऑफ रेन ऑफ द रूफ अपॉन ऑफ द रेन अपॉन द रूफ. एज आई लिसन, जैसे जैसे मैं रेन ड्रॉप्स की साउंड सुनता हूँ वैसे वैसे मेमोरीज रिकलेक्ट होती जा रही हैं माइंड के अंदर. नाउ इन मेमोरी कम्स माई मदर. इन मेमोरी इट मीन्स he also remembers her mother. Mother comes into his dreams as she used in years ago. Ago means ago. बहुत साल पहले जैसे मेरी माँ मुझे देखने आती थी वैसे ही अब वो मेरी यादों में आई है. To regard the darling dreamers. Dreamers. Dreamers कौन है? जो ड्रीम ले रहे हैं. कौन ले रहा है ड्रीम? बच्चे. बच्चे सोने के लिए तैयार हैं, वो ड्रीम्स में खोए हुए हैं और माँ उनको देखने आती है. ere she left them till the dawn. उन्हें dawn on dusk. Dawn and dusk I have discussed already many times. Dawn means sunrise and dusk means sunset. हमें सुबह तक छोड़ने से पहले. ओह आई फील हर fond लुक ऑन मी एज आई लिस्ट टू दिस रिफ्रेन. मैं उसके उस लुक को महसूस करता हूँ जब वो हम सोने चले जाते थे और वो हमें देखने आती थी. उसके प्यार भरे लुक को मैं महसूस करता हूँ जब मैं सुनता हूँ. लिस्ट मीन्स लिसन to this refrain. Refrain means sound repeated again and again in poems. Refrain means a line is repeating in a song again and again. In this poem, refrain is the sound of raindrops which are repeated again and again, which is played upon the shingle by the patter of the रेन. जो कि रूफ टाइल्स पे कंटिन्यूसली जो म्यूज़िक है वो प्ले हो रहा है. कौन सा म्यूज़िक प्ले हो रहा है? द साउंड ऑफ रेन ड्रॉप्स. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी easy poem and you have clear all the thoughts about rain. So we have completed this poem and 2 question answers, and if you have any doubt then ask me. Thank you.